Hi, welcome to another EdgeTek tip. We're going to show you how to replace the motor on a manufactured housing MG1E gas furnace using the DM5i motors. Disconnect the power first, and then we can go ahead and remove the door. Here we have the blower housing. So here is our electrical box that now comes with the ventilation slots for A2L, and it's held on by these two screws here, and then we can remove the box cover. Motor is a 5-speed ECM motor, which connects to this connector, also goes down to your control board via a 24-volt plug. Now before we remove the screws for the housing, we want to make sure we unplug the motor. The blower housing is held on by two screws, one in the bottom right-hand side and one in the top left-hand side. So we'll go ahead and remove those screws. So now we have the housing removed from the unit. You'll see our broad ocean motor here, held on by 3 legs on this side. Other side, you'll see the shaft and the set screw. Remove all those and you'll be able to pull the motor out for replacement. For more EdgeTek tips, head to edgetekhvac.com.